activity started as a bit of a collaboration with ourselves and another provider, Drive. Initially this was set up for 2 days a week doing a woodwork class, but we soon started to recognise that the enjoyment the service users were getting out of this, it started to grow pretty quickly from strength to strength.
Summer of 2022 we formed a partnership with Cartrefi to offer adult learning classes and use our facilities and our grounds to further this forward and expand. This summer we have plans to run outdoor classes such as outdoor football, walk-in rugby and outdoor exercise classes.
So we're now in a position where we offer activities over a 5-day week, Monday to Friday. All the activities are planned and agreed with the people that we support. It's their choice.
Personally myself, it makes me really proud to be able to work with people such as Cartrefi and see what is fetching to the adult learners, and it's put the club in a really good position and given a real good feel factor to the club.
I think when we see some of the photographs that are posted and you see the enjoyment the service users are getting out of that, it's rewarding really to see how much they are getting out of it. We wouldn't be able to run these classes without the staff members.
I've always said, to be in care, you've got to be a certain type of person to do the job that we do. But the reward at the end of any shift or the reward of any activity that you lay on is so rewarding. I go home and I think to myself, I've done something that's made somebody happy, give them more independence at home, and that's what I get out of any project I do. The smile on the face, a thank you, and coming back, all these mean something to me.
For 29 years now, I've been working for Cartrefi. I just think Cartrefi is one of the best care companies in the area. I think they do a lot with the service users. As you can see from the class today, the service users are very happy to participate in the events we put on. When you support people and you can see they're getting something out of the support that you provide, it makes you feel good to be able to do that for somebody.
You can tell on occasions when you come into the activity class, the buzz, the feel, the atmosphere, it's just electric on times.
And they come and they learn in, and they tell you, I went home and I made that pizza in the house, or I went home and I painted the gnome I made. You'll always have a smile in this job because there's so many different characters and personalities. You can have a joke, you can have a laugh, but it's not all about being serious. It's about people feeling relaxed, people wanting to take part.
I think the cooking class are really giving me the boost to do more cooking. The staff that come, they've been nothing but amazing.
I like working with staff and I do. People are gone perfect. Yeah, helpful and kind. Some people pleasant.
I think really happy to be supported by Cartrefi. I used to be just do whatever anybody said and didn't speak out. But now I'm more confident in anything I try.
Cartrefi are brilliant, so I'd like to say thank you to Michelle for putting up with me. I have learned a lot. I'm proud that Leanne have taught me things and got me into this cooking class, because I thought I'd never make a corned beef pie, I'd never do this. I've only seen pizzas in the co-op like.
I go to Gateway, I go to choir, I go to Star Factor, woodwork. I think this is great. It's really an experience. Like,
Well, I know how to cook, I know how to do cleaning, I know how to do sandwiches in the mornings, every day, man.
Yes, it's nice to meet new people and do new things.
Yeah, they've got to be brilliant to put up with me, haven't they?
They're more confident in who they are when they pick up a drill, and I support them to use a drill. That's and power tool. And once they're doing that, they get a sense of satisfaction. Years ago, people wouldn't have had this. It's nice to see that in this day and age that there's a lot that they can do and that they participate in, and they're happy.
So the end goal would be, to see the activities grow and for it to develop further, really. And it's just growing from strength to strength.